Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do 3 different types of feeding braids to achieve the same desired look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look doing 3 different types of feeding braids, just keep on watching this video until the end. So if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share the link with a friend, and let's get right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you today how to do your feeding braids 3 different ways. So my hair is already washed and oiled, and I'm gonna add some Gorilla hair gel to my hair because I'm not gonna be adding too much product to my hair before I start braiding, because I realize that it makes my hair shrink and it's kind of hard to braid. So I'm just gonna add just a little Gorilla gel and then get the process going. So I'm gonna start by braiding the beginning of my hair. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see because I have to try and sit upright, do the middle braid. So as I get to the middle part of the braid, you guys will be able to see how I do this kind of feeding braid. So for this kind of feeding braid, I'm going to be holding the braid in the middle, and then I'm going to be placing it in between my middle finger and my index finger. And then I'm going to braid one end down first, and then after that I'm going to braid it 2 times, and then I'm going to be taking the other end of the hair and put it in between my middle and index finger and then braid it all in. So as I said, as I get to the middle part of the braid, I'm going to slow it down a little bit so you guys will be able to see how I do this feeding braid. So for this feeding braid, rather than using your pinky finger to hold on one end, you just add the middle of the braid in between your index and middle finger, braiding one end of the braid 2 times and then adding the next end of the braid. So guys, let's get right into the next feeding braid. So as usual, I'm going to be braiding my own hair from the beginning just a few times. So for this feeding braid, I'm going to be following the same process of holding the braid in the middle, put it in between my index and middle finger, then I'm gonna match up one end of the braid with my own hair and then braiding all the hair. I'm not gonna be leaving any of the braids out. So last and final feeding braid, and I've already done a video on this feeding braid. You guys can check that video out. I'm gonna be linking that video in the iCard. You can check that out in the right top hand corner of your screen. So for this feeding braid, I'm going to be holding down one end of the braid with my ring finger and pinky finger. And then I'm going to be braiding one end 2 times. And then I'll just go ahead and adding the other end of the braid and just continue braiding down. So you guys can leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you think will be easier for you. And as you can see, you do feeding braids 3 different ways, but you achieve the same look. And there you have it, guys. 3 different ways to do your feeding braids to achieve the same desired look. So I've gone ahead and dipped my hair in hot water, add some edge control, some shine and jam, some mousse, and there you have it. So thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, share the link with a friend, and follow me on Instagram at Sassy Alicia. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.